Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Teccpo brand circular saw. The blades that it comes with are about a 3.3 inch blades. They are meant to cut tile, wood, aluminum, and plastics depending on which blade you use. It comes with 3 of them. Now the Teccpo brand does have a 2 years satisfaction, which surprised me because they sell it through Amazon. So 2 years is a long time, and you could try it out. And if you're not satisfied within 2 years, you could return it and get your money back or get a replacement. I kind of don't see this little thingy switch here to feel as good as I would like it to. I guess time will tell if it's gonna last, but so far I kind of, I'm not used to it. I guess we'll have to see. So as far as the smoothness goes, as far as the cutting, I feel it really smooth, really nice on your hand, and it just feels pretty easy to maneuver and really easy to cut. So overall, I think, as far as the build quality, I'm gonna have to say I'm gonna give it a 9. Everything about it I really like. I really like the build, the looks, the color, and I really like the iron foot plate on the bottom, the 45-degree angle, the left-handed blade. So as far as the rating would go, I would have to give this machine about a 9, and that would be just because of that little switch there. So that is all for this review on this Teccpo mini circular saw. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Thank you for watching.